Welcome to an insightful journey into the world of tokenization, blockchain, cryptocurrencies, and stablecoins. Have you ever considered how real estate, a traditionally illiquid asset, can be transformed? Through tokenization, real estate can be divided into digital tokens, allowing investors to own fractions of property instead of the entire property. This innovative approach significantly increases liquidity and makes high-value assets more accessible to a broader range of investors. Now, let's explore the foundational technology behind these advancements, blockchain. What makes blockchain so powerful and revolutionary in today's digital landscape? Every transaction on a blockchain is recorded permanently and immutably, making it almost impossible to tamper with or alter. This inherent security and transparency are key benefits, fostering trust in digital transactions without intermediaries. However, with great innovation comes inherent risks, especially in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies. Ever wonder why crypto can be so risky for investors? Prices can swing wildly within hours, leading to quick gains or devastating losses for those unprepared. Beyond market fluctuations, security breaches pose another significant threat. Hackers frequently target exchanges and individual wallets, causing huge financial losses for many users. To mitigate some of this volatility, stablecoins offer a unique solution. Did you know stablecoins are increasingly used in international remittances? They help send money abroad faster and significantly cheaper than traditional banking systems. Furthermore, stablecoins play a crucial role in decentralized finance, or DeFi, lending. They provide essential liquidity for borrowing and lending activities without the need for conventional banks. Looking ahead, the future of finance is being reshaped by these transformative technologies. Did you know even fine art can be tokenized, opening up new avenues for ownership? This lets people co-own expensive paintings without the burden of buying the whole piece, democratizing access to art. Blockchain's transparency is also being explored for critical civic functions. What's truly cool about blockchain transparency is its potential for public trust. Anyone can verify transactions without needing a centralized middleman, ensuring accountability. Curious about how future governments might leverage this technology? Some are exploring blockchain for voting systems to prevent fraud and enhance electoral integrity. From fractional ownership to secure voting, these technologies are fundamentally changing our financial and civic landscapes. Stay informed as these innovations continue to evolve and shape our future. For more insights like this, follow Mabrook, the world's first ethical real-world asset tokenization platform.